Okay now, okay now, okay now, okay now, yeah. Okay now. Trying to make it. She know my alias. Says she said I'm beautiful. And I make it the beautifulest. So let me just be the host. Show you how we gon' get it in. They say, man, you always do the most. But that's why we always win. I said, bitch, why you complaining? I said, now, bitch, why you complaining? I said, now, bitch, why you complaining? I said, now, bitch, why you complaining? We at a cookout. We got the tables. We got the food now. We got the stable. We got the cookout. People cooking with us. We got the news. We got the truth. We got the nigga just watching all the meat. Ay, we got the niggas saying what we really need. We have to even watch the shit that how they say it wouldn't be just televised, but we see the channels. So I just making it to face it, the shit that they don't work with, the poke it, the shit that I'm thinking with. They say this just the same shit. I said, no, you just talking on your own motherfucking language, but using the same just words to make it sound like a statement. Basically, you need to face it, cause I just had to make these people see that my life was always an incognito. So you know I'm more as a spirit than a body holds. So I'm saying, you see what we really making. She see the way that I didn't never want credit, but she wants us to say this. Bitch, stop complaining. Bitch, stop complaining. Bitch, stop complaining. Bitch, stop complaining. Hey, I'm just trying to give other people just they swag. I'm just trying to make people see the authentic way, so you know my voice is a little hoarse, little coarse, cause the ways that people gonna say that we just sound the same. Hey, can it be one more time? Like, hey, folks, hey, hey, cause it's just basics. Face it. We whipping this shit. Hey, I don't just talk so much. My life is not just shown in just the publicistic ways that niggas say that it should be just is. I mean the way that I'm just flowing, got a top mode just to go and like a closed mouth don't get fed. But I'm full, hey, talking this shit that they want with that nigga that coming on. Stood, hey, where I was when the niggas talk that shit, when they know when I good, hey. Now I gotta get fed cause a closed mouth don't get. Oh, now they don't want me eat, ayy, fuck the saying what we be, ayy, niggas staying on the beat, ayy, I can say what I want, yeah, that's just my speech, just showing how I pause it, cause these niggas just talking that I sound like just an artist, so I had to say, yeah, that's that nigga, but that's just me. What they want, what a nigga going for, what the shit say, what the fuck would it be, ayy, catching up laughing at niggas don't see what the shit that they going to be, ayy, you know Area 51 got all of these Adams weaponry, yeah, don't you know that I just think I'm saying how can I just make this the hardest, ayy, niggas they saying don't start it, ayy, like frequencies, oh, would you need help with military, oh, I see, I'm still rapping on every time the co-reddit frequency goes and shows now you to notice how I keep it, oh, I be, why I have the environment just listening and they gon' see like it's silence but we see it louder than they really think, so now they don't notice that's the way that I didn't always go and how I had to show them that's the way that they be in critics but don't make no sense cause they can't just criticize me, because they want what they get and we whipping this shit that they know when we mean, hey, lemon and niggas they saying the way that I always just show my teeth, hey, looking so fresh and so clean but in the mirror it's kind of just a difference, I don't know, see what the way that we hit it for good, they want, they always gonna say that, hey, cause but not living, not getting it, no way that we having no limits, staying unlimited, but they did the way that they did shit that I did it from, the shit that they said wasn't the magnificent, the equivalent way of just showing how I didn't make the equalizer for the team. I didn't watch these niggas going, how I'm going focus, how I show them, how I'm on it, not to stop this, what it be. Hey, now I see that I done had to be a check, but you know, just respect, but now I'm stupid, cause I could get more things. Oh, never mind, I'm at the spine, now I see it. I didn't just map it out before these pussy niggas could just think. You're in the beat right. No, we ain't in the beat right. No. Hey, that's how I want it to be. Hey, we ain't in the beat right. That's my friend. That's the way they live. That's the way they was born. That's the way it was torn. That's the way they was did. That's the way that they had to figure out how they can call themselves also a kid. Cause who knows what a kid is? Wait, what is this? That's what I'm saying when it ends. That's what I know when I say when I get with the shit, what they said, what they want, on the fuck, what they want, what they talk, what they did, what they lit. No, I ain't cool as shit. I'm whack. Fuck that shit. What they get with the back, what they had with the shit that they said with the stash. Listen to this shit they said that I lack what I had, but I come just with that bag. I'm in a hostel that just has a bottom, cause they was talking about a hole that I done had. Hey, wonder how I shit and bit and slitting on some shit that I know difference is the mission that I have with how I get. Hey, call you, I call up cause my energy was popping when I saw that chick. She said it was something that I didn't have. Hey, once I wanna get it, and talking what we did, I know it shit is I done had the baddest chick and I didn't brag. Hey, knowing how I go, well, they done said it though, not in a song, but for some reason goes written. So all the stash of the shit of someone spitting's more simplistic, don't make sense, but it still did. So I guess I done had the bag. Hey, go and have repeat, cause that's all that they ever be. I mean, do cause they know I gotta make statements that relate to how they done spit. I mean sit, I mean talk, but the best is how we all overall. They know in the way that we go off to sit in the shit that they talk. Now I'm just chillin', and now when they tryna just chill with my nigga, I say, oh, what's up? Hey, what do they want? Cause I'm looking just cool as shit. Now I know what it just be. Feeling like Trippy Green, I know, and just the dreads is how they off. Now the twisted, how the plot is getting out. I had to make the missus mission that they talking, how I sit and what I'm on. I didn't notice how I do it. Beat they told me keep influence, how they saying how I mean it. I done waited, I done pause, I done cough, I done cough, I done said, I done knew. They didn't say that I done on it, but the way that I done grew, I'm a jungle dude. Yeah, that's just worse than hood nigga. It's the way they're calling me a gentleman. That's the figures. I done said it, how we in it coming out. Okay, it's Young Houdini for the nosy ones, wasn't just that Coca-Cola. Turn Michael Jackson to a pharaoh. What all y'all know does call it a disease. Please, niggas been in Hollywood a long time, throw out that scenery. Niggas know when I figure out how they what. Hey, they don't know how it be. Hey, Sapphire Ali Khalid. Hey, niggas know how I mean. Got an alias and prestigious from. Okay, hold on. They don't need me to explain. Doing it by the game. Hey, these niggas all talking too much, but they just been trained just to repeat, go repeat. Let me tell you what it be. Niggas know how I am on my shit by any means. That's all that jealousy. Gotta go by envy. Nigga know how I speak. Hey, you rather it be you than just me. Hey, I don't really give a. I don't really have to. Why you acting like I do? Hey, what do you want to see? Coming just with a clue. Everybody know I do. All up in the blue moon. Maybe I might just speak, but I'm more like being active, not doing acting. What you wanna say with it? Okay, never know how I'm living. Hey, I was always gonna get the dividends. No one know how I mention. People on their own ish. How to just chirp from just telepathy. Nickel Tesla know me. Kinda just like Elon. I know how we gonna be.
Niggas talk about how to be a thug, I'm talking about how to be smarter than I can be. What you know about me? How I always get the prestige of chillin' back, begin all of that security. Niggas know how I figure out, they don't figure out how I living out. Talking a lot how they dig. This is how I is. Go get you a shovel if you go and just dig. No one has to tell me how I am. This is how I live it down. Yeah, call me Jizzy, or you know man. Ain't gon' change how I do my game. Oh yeah, it's pretty cool. They ain't know me as well, poo. They ain't know me as well, poo. What they know how.